Dear students of class 5B, welcome to my GK class. Today is the last lesson. I am going to finish lesson number unit 3, languages. Already this lesson was taught to you earlier, but since it is a question of memory, you will learn and keep it in your concept, and then and there you will answer me. That's why I have decided to re-explain this lesson once more for your convenience. Lesson number unit 3, languages. Topic is languages. Now you see what is there. Handwriting. First one, handwriting. Second, philology. Third, news. Fourth, Cambodian. Fifth, Hawaiian. Sixth, ideograph. 7. Paronym. 8. Alphabet. 9. Devanagari. 10. Palindrome. 11. Acronym. And 12. The Cyrillic alphabet. Now, what you have to do, I shall ask you a question, you have to answer me. What is handwriting? What is handwriting? Handwriting. What is handwriting? Handwriting stands for calligraphy. Handwriting stands for calligraphy. Or what is calligraphy? Calligraphy stands for handwriting. Okay. Calligraphy stands for handwriting. What is handwriting? Handwriting stands for calligraphy. And second one, philology. Philology. What is philology? Philology is known as the study of language. What is philology? Philology is known as the study of language. The study of language is known as philology. The study of language is known as philology. The next one, news. What is news? News. What is news? News means acronym for North, East, West and South. Acronym for North, West, East and South is known as news. And fourth one, Cambodian. What is Cambodian? Cambodian. The language has the most letters is known as Cambodian. The language which has most letters. How many? 74 letters. This is known as Cambodian or Cambodian languages. There are 74 letters. That is the letters, most letters. This is known as Cambodian languages. And next one, Hawaiian. Hawaiian, what is this? What is Hawaiian? Hawaiian, there are, least letters. Language which has least letters is known as Hawaiian languages. Language which has least letters. Language which has least letters. This is Hawaiian. How many languages? There are 12 languages in least letters. 12 languages means 12 letters. 12 letters are there in Hawaiian language. In Hawaiian language, how many letters are there? Least letters. And these letters means 12 letters are there in Hawaiian language. And the most letters, in which language there are most letters? Cambodian language, there are most letters, many numbers. That is, Cambodian languages means how many? 74 languages letters are there in Cambodian language. And in Hawaiian, 12 letters are there in Hawaiian language. And next one, ideograph. What is ideograph? Ideograph. What is ideograph? Ideograph means Chinese picture writing. Chinese picture writing is known as ideograph. Chinese picture writing is known as ideograph. Chinese picture writing is known as ideograph. Then paronym. What is paronym? Paronym, words similar in sound but different in spelling and meaning. See, canvas, canvas. This is known as paronym. That means words that similar in sound but different spelling and meaning. Different spelling and meaning. This is known as paronym. And next one, alphabet. What is alphabet? Alphabet. What is alphabet? Alphabet. Alphabet means Greek words alpha and beta. This is alphabet. Greek words alphabet has come. The word alphabet has come from Greek letters alpha and then beta. Alpha, beta. Greek words alpha, beta. First alpha and then beta. From the two Greek words alphabet has come. That is alpha. These are alpha and beta. And next one, Devanagari. What is this? Devanagari. This is Devanagari. Devanagari, what is this? Devanagari. Devanagari means mixture of Hindi and Sanskrit. The script in which Sanskrit and Hindi are written, that is Devanagari. The script which is written with Hindi and Sanskrit. This is known as Devanagari. Hindi and Sanskrit. Mixture of Hindi and Sanskrit words is known as Devanagari. And next one, palindrome. What is palindrome? That is palindrome. What is it? The Cyrillic alphabet is known as palindrome. Cyrillic alphabet means Russian alphabet. Cyrillic alphabet is known as palindrome, means Russian alphabet. Russian alphabet is known as palindrome. Then 11. Acronym. What is acronym? 11. What is acronym? 11. Acronym. Acronym means news. Acronym means acronym for North, East, West and South. This is news. These are the news of North, East, West and South. In short term, this is known as acronym. Acronym for North, East, West and South. This is news and acronyms. And next one, that is acronym means a word from the initial letters of other words, means radar, NATO, etc. Acronym means a word formed from initial letters of other words like radar, NATO, etc. This is acronym. And next one, 12, the Cyrillic alphabet. What is this? The Cyrillic alphabet. The Cyrillic alphabet means Russian alphabet is known as the Cyrillic alphabet. Russian alphabet is known as Cyrillic alphabet. Russian alphabet is known as Cyrillic alphabet. And some questions you have to learn orally. I shall ask you, you have to answer me. You learn it orally. How many languages are there, spoken languages are there in the world? There are 7,000 spoken languages are there in the world. And how many characters are there in the Chinese language? There are 50,000 characters in the Chinese language. You will need to know about how many? You will need to know about 2000 characters to read a newspaper of Chinese language. And how many population is there? World's population speaks at least some English. 1/4 of the world's population, 1/4 of the world's population speaks at least some English. And next one, how many UN official languages are there? There are 6 official UN languages. And how many languages are there through which the Bible is available? The Bible is available with the Bible is available in 2,454 languages. 2,454 languages. And which is the oldest written language believed to be believed that written 4,500 BC. This is the oldest written language. It is believed that it was written 4,500 BCE. This is the oldest written language, was believed to be written in about 4,500 BCE. And how many languages are used? How many languages the Pope tweets? Through how many languages the Pope twists? The Pope twists 9 languages. The Pope twists in how many languages? 9 languages. And has the US any official language? No. The US has no official language. The US has no official language. So these are the things you have to learn orally, and whenever I shall ask you questions, you have to answer me also orally. Just you have to keep it in your mind, learn it properly, and the points which I taught you earlier, you have to learn it very quickly. Up to this, my dear students, thank you.